Karika 6.
प्रभवः सर्वभावानां सतामिति विनिश्चयः सर्वं जनयति प्राणः चेतोषून् पुरुषः पृथक्.
The context was Eshaha Yonihi Sarvasya, mantra 6 from Mandukya. This Pradnya is the cause of everything. So everything, before that is clarified, any effect has to be born from an existing cause. From non-existent entities, nothing can be born. So that was shown. Then, from prana, which prana? Sabija Sat. Sat Brahma with the Maya. So the prana, the entire Jagat, inert Jagat of names and forms were born. Jagat was born. Again, from Sat Brahma, without Bija, without Maya, without Prakriti, Chetoshu, Jivas were born. Now, he wants to, Gaudapadacharya wants to describe his view as to what this creation what this creation is. Before putting forth what he has to say, Gaudapadacharya tells other opinions. What all other people have to say about the creation, those he brings first, and then he will proceed to describe what he has to say about the creation. So read 7.
विभूतिं प्रसवं त्वन्ये मन्यन्ते सृष्टिचिन्तकाः स्वप्नमायासरूपेति सृष्टिरन्यैर्विकल्पिता
तू अन्ये सृष्टि चिंतकाः एड अध्याहार ईश्वरस्य विभूतिं प्रसवं मन्यन्ते अन्यैः सृष्टिः स्वप्न माया स्वप्नमाया इति विकल्पिता इति विकल्पिता. Some people think like this. Anne. See, anne is there differently. Not different people, different. Some people, others, like that you have to take. Some people, some people, what they say, who are they? Srishti Chintaka. Those who consider as to how Srishti, Jagat, creation has come into existence. They say this is the way it has come into existence. So Srishti Chintaka. What Chintaka we are? Huh? Be honest. Adhyatmik? Not loudly, Vishaya. Vishaya Chintaka. Natural. Unless, see, it is just natural. Because we want happiness. And that's our concept that Vishayas give happiness. Unless, so what is taken to Viveka? What Viveka? Atma, Anatma, Viveka, wherein what is permanent and what is impermanent is being ascertained. Srishti Chintaka means there is a point in that. These people who are interested in what? Srishti, not in who? Srishti Karta. They are not bothered about the Srishti Karta. They are engrossed in what? Only Srishti. So that is Srishti Chintaka. What they say? Ishwarasya Vibhutim Prasavam Manyante. Prasava. Notice Prasava. Prasava means Srishti. Prasuti, you know Prasuti. So that delivery, etc. So that is Prasava is what? Srishti, the creation. So therefore, what they say, Ishwarasya Vibhutim Prasavam. Creation is something which is the glory of Ishvara. So that is what they say. Prasavam Manyante, they consider so. Anyehi, by other people, some other people, different from the earlier one, they say, Srishti, this creation is Swapna Maya Sarupa. Swapna Sarupa, Maya Sarupa. It is like a dream. It is like a Maya. What is Maya here? Don't say Trigunatmika Sattva. Maya here is magic. Maya also means what? Magic. They say it is like a magic. Indrajala, they say. Indrajala is like magic. Or Swapna. like the dream. Only difference is dreams last for how long? They say modern the investigators say few seconds, and in this few seconds, this person has lived for 100 years. He has lived for 100 years. See how time factor. We think this is a time. Suppose someone who is not interested in the Upanishad has come to attend the class. 1 hour will be what? A decade for him. For others, what? Arey, 5 minutes mein ho gaya. Only 5 minutes are over. Interest. So that is others. Swapna Sarupa. It is similar to dream, or Maya Sarupa. It is similar to what? Magic. Here Maya is not Brahmashraya Maya. It is like magic. So iti Vikalpita. They presume, they imagine, or that is what they say. Let us see now the Bhashya.
विभूति विस्तारः ईश्वरस्य सृष्टिः इति सृष्टिचिन्तकाः मन्यन्ते न तु परमार्थचिन्तकानां सृष्टौ आदरः इत्यर्थः.
Just take the Anvaya. If you take it, and if you know little Sanskrit, it will be easier to understand. If you don't know, no problem. Ishwarasya vibhutihi vistaraha srishtihi iti srishtichintakaha mannyanti. Srishtichintakaha, those who investigate into the creation. How, when, why. See, the interesting thing. When you say from where creation has come, when creation has come, how creation has come, when you ask these questions, you have already cast the creation. You already presumed the creation. You know, Swami Ramatirtha, mathematician, Jnana Vidya, he was a Jivan Mukta, not an ordinary person, not Lip Vedanta. You know what happens was, he was giving discourse somewhere in foreign countries. There was earthquake, all ran away. He was sitting where it was. After it subsided and they came, the audience asked, "You didn't run away?" I also ran away. How? I ran away in my Swarup. I ran away in my Swarupa. Physically I didn't run away, but I ran away. I switched off from the Jagat and switched on to Atma Swarupa. He is the one, he is the interesting person. He is the one who defined God as a circle with center everywhere and circumference nowhere. He has put the mathematics in use. He says God is the circle with center everywhere, but circumference nowhere. So that is what. So he used to give an example. He said, moment you inquire when, how, why, etc. about the creation, you have already cast a creation. For which he used to give an interesting example. A child, maybe about 2-3 years old, somebody put a bug in its mind. There was a almirah cover with a big, what is that, mirror. Somebody put the bug in there. Look, A similar child is there inside. Where? In the governor. After all, child, it went, yes, exactly. He smiled, it smiles, the grin, it beckoned. You pakka, they got convinced. Mummy, there is a child inside this exactly like me. Now the mother wanted to remove this bug from the mind of this child. Hey, there is nothing like that. No, mummy, it is there. Come here. So he took her away from the mirror. See, is there a child? No. Only right see. Now the child want to verify whether there is another child there. And for verifying what it did, it went near the mirror. The moment you went there, you are cast the images. So like that, the moment you think of creation, you have already cast it. So that is that. Srishti annai vikalpita. So that is sapna, yes. Srishti chintaka, srishti iti. Srishti, this srishti is prasava word of mula. See, when you are studying bhashya, you should have the knack of correlating the words. Every time it cannot be told. So the eye must be with the mula and here. Srishti, this srishti is prasava of mula. Srishti is srishti chintakaha manyante. Those who are interested in the theories of creation. Afterwards will come. There are as many theories of creation as number of Upanishads. Generally, no two theory of creation tallies with each other. I think these Upanishad people don't know. You know why? We'll see in the Karika afterward. Upanishads are not interested in giving the theory of creation. Then why it has given? Karika will tell in the after subsequent chapters. Upayaha saha avataraya. To impart to you Brahmajnana, they only serve as the means. Upanishads are not interested in the giving a theory of creation. And whatever theories of creation are given, they are to the specific student who is in front of the Guru from the standpoint of his caliber. Just that means, because if it is not answered, the bug remains and the person will not be able to proceed further. From his standpoint, a plausible explanation is given and the Acharya goes further. So that is how it is. So much importance should not be given. Now, why Gaudapada Acharya says Srishti Chintakaha? So therefore he explains, Natu Paramartha Chintakanam Srishtau Adaraha Ityartha. Paramartha Chintakanam, those who inquire into the Paramartha Swarupa. What is Paramartha? Parama, Artha, the entity, which is Parama. Parama means Desha, Kala, Vastu, Aparichinnam. Beyond the realm of time, space and objects. Paramartha means ultimate reality. The entity which is the basis of everything, including it is our true nature. So you may ask, if it is our true nature, what do we get after knowing it? What do we get after knowing it? Let us see. So you consider yourself a pauper. And somebody said, look, here is the will which has given you such a crores of property. What you have to do now? Claim it, go to court, get probate. All process you take to. It is all yours. Like that. Me, what Upanishads say? Satya. Never born, never subject to destruction. As it obtains now presently for us, what is our plight? We are born subject to Chit, Chaitanya Swarupa, not ignorance, not inner, sentience principle. Again, much more is what? Ananda. And what Ananda? Free from least trace of sorrow. See, look, it becomes very difficult to believe. How can you say, little Ananda here and there I can accept? But Ananda, my Swarupa is Ananda, which is totally free from the least trace of sorrow. It becomes difficult to believe in the beginning. Proper vichara, inquiry, shravana has to be taken to. It can be verified also to some extent. See, do you love your body? Now tell me one thing. Is not this body source of all troubles and sorrows and diseases? Yes or no? From Janma to Marana, you know. And yet you love. Because of what? No. Atma. Because Atma is that, see, that Atma is such a Ananda Swarupa. In spite of this such nature of body, we love it. What proof you want more than this? Atma is Ananda Swarupa. In sleep, after waking up, what you say? I slept happily. From where happiness came? From where it came? Were you seeing a beautiful scene, relishing a delicious dish, or listening to melodious music, or cozy touch? While sleeping, you are using cozy bed, but when you are asleep, you are not aware of it. So, what is that? Or fragrance. No indriyas available, no vishayas available, and you are happy. What it can be? Your Swarupa. Only problem is ignorance is that. Ignorance is that. So therefore, some pointers we can get to prove that this Chaitanya Rupa Atma must necessarily be Paramananda Swarupa. How exactly to claim? There is subject matter of what? Vedanta. What preparation we should have? What all things? That's what Lord Krishna said. Abhyasena tu kaunteya vairagena cha grihate. Both abhyasa. What abhyasa? The extrovert mind has to be withdrawn from the external pursuit. For that, what is necessary? Why our mind is extrovert? Its concept is what? Happiness than the vicious. So, by proper inquiry, mind needs to be convinced. Not just, you can't just, that is, say that. You have to convince the mind by vichara. Muhu do vishaya dosha darshanam. Repeatedly, so what you do? The defects of vishayas you find out like that. So you have to convince. Once you convince your mind about the futility of vishaya, no force in the world can drag your mind to them, except what they call some rasa will be there. some value that it can give me happiness. Lord Krishna says, Param Drishtva Nivartate. That rasa, asakti, preeti, you have withdrawn from here, but still, nothing wrong with them. It gives some happiness. So that rasa goes what? Param Drishtva. Drishtva means what? Param Brahma. Drishtva, having got the darshana. You go to temple, no? To have darshan. No? Or Mahatma, darshan of some Mahatma. What is that darshan? Direct. Eye to eye, you see. Now, whose darshan you want? Param Drishtva. Parabrahma. So that's where aparoksha jnana, Brahma sakshatkara of Atma Brahma has to be taken too. So that is Param Drishtva. So therefore, the question was, Vishayas no doubt give us some happiness, but it is not their feature, it is Atma Swarupa only. So these people who are the Natu Paramartha Chintakana, those who are more serious about the Paramartha. Paramartha is Atma Swarupa, Brahma Swarupa, which is never destructible. Never destructible. Chintakaha, those inquire to discover, ascertain what this Paramatma, what this Brahma is, what this Atma is, what this Bhagavat Tattva Ishvara is. So there for them, Srishtau Adaraha Natu. They don't have Adara. We'll see what that Adara means. Adara in Srishti. What our language is, what is Adara? Respect. So here it is not respect, eagerness. They don't care about the Srishti. They are not eager to know what the Srishti is. That is what. Respect in the sense, attention. You know, actually, Dara. Means little. So, and Dara, you know what is the Dara? Hindi Dar. What is Hindi Dar? Fear. Not much fear, little fear. See, to whomsoever you have respect, you don't take the person for granted. Little distance is there. But at the same time, cordial relation also is there. See, Arjuna, so Bhaktaha Sakhacha. That who told? He got certificate from home. Bhagavan Krishna. We claim ourselves to be Bhakta. Why? Every Saturday morning I visit Hanuman temple. So Bhagavan gave him the certificate Bhakta. He didn't say simply Sakha. He didn't say simply Bhakta. Do you know why? Sakha, if they say, this person will sit on the head of who? Krishna. If he simply says Bhakta, little what? Fear is bound to be there. So that you are both Sakha and Bhakta. So therefore, Adara means here eagerness, care, attention. They don't pay attention to Srishti. They don't care much about the Srishti. They are not eager to know about the Srishti. Why? What is their interest? Paramartha Chintaka. So that they are interested in the Paramartha Swarupa. Iti Artha. So now, to substantiate this, Swapnamaya Swarupa, the Bhashyakara gives a quotation from Brihadaranyaka Upanishad 2.5.19. It is said,
इंद्रो मायाभिः पुरुरूप ईयते इति श्रुतेः।
Indraha. See, our concept of Indra is who? Devendra, king of gods. Actually, Indra name is Parameshwara. In Aitharya Upanishad, Adhyaropa of Srishti, Apavada of Srishti is given. And when Apavad means first creation is superimposed and then it is eliminated. So then you get the direct knowledge of this. So the phrase actually is Idandraha. Idandraha. One who has known this Parabrahma Swarupa, Idandraha. Then how it became Indra? They say is a concept. A highly respectable person is not called by their personal name. Some nickname you take, so that is how it is. So like that, you can't call Paramatma the Idandra, etc. So that Idandraha become Indra. Krishna became Kittu. So, this happens. They give beautiful name and then what? chop off many aspects of that name. They say it should not be done this. Even this, writing initials, it should not be. They said you have to write full name only, not initials. Now computer language, etc. different things. No? VK, Gokak. Vinayak Krishna Gokak. Like that, VK Gokak. A great person was there. Sahitya Academy Award winner, he was Vice Chancellor also, Karnataka, and then Puttaparthi. Great literary man. See, he was the principal of Dharwad College, near Dharwad. He was interested in saying, I wanted some book. I could know that book is with Bangalore University. I could know that is verified. Somebody went and said, it is with who? Mysore University. And that book was in 60 small volumes from Sanskrit translated into Kannada. But what I wanted, I could not get it because the person who went there, because there was no catalog proper catalog was not there. If catalog was there, so he could not get it. One gentleman, one known person went to the librarian. He said, I want this book. Look, don't give me a table and ask me to sit here. I want the Xerox copy of it. He called that girl and said, this is what is it. Within 1 minute, that book is on the table. Then she said, look, he had got another volume also. Means this thing in 2 parts. Within other minute, she brought this. How? Proper cataloging. Do you know who else? Because of who? V.K. Gokak. When he was a principal, he saw to it that, photograph also was kept there. Saw to it that library is what? Spick and span. See, colleges, schools, ashrams should have good library. It reflects on them. If good library is not there, they are not much bothered about the knowledge. So that is how. So Indraha. So Indra is what? Idandraha has become Indraha. So Indraha. Mayabhihi. So Mayabhihi. So Ishvara, because of Maya here, Upadhis. What Upadhi? Upadhi in terms of buddhi. Upadhi in terms of buddhi. And buddhi, when you say, what happens? Buddhi remains same. It goes on changing. All changes, modifications in the buddhi in terms of vrittis, having different types of knowledge, concept, etc., etc., etc. So with Maya Bhigi, what is it? Pururupaha, Pururupaha, Bahurupaha, of many Nama Rupa in terms of Upadhis. Iyate, Iyate means Gamyate is known to be so. Indra, Paramatma, because of Maya in the sense, because of this different modification of buddhi being endowed with that, appears as different. Now happy, now sorrowful, now angry, now peaceful, now agitated. So with all varieties of changes of the buddhi appears to be there. Iti Shrutete. So that is how, so that is Ishvara, because of Maya, so appears as though of manifold forms. Now, Paramartha Chintaka, those who want to ascertain Paramartha Swarupa are not interested in the Srishti, for which an illustration of magic is given. So magic is given. So this gives an idea. Such magic was there at the time of who? Shankaracharya. But afterwards not. Now let us say, what is that magic?
नहि मायाविनं सूत्रम आकाशे निक्षिप्य तेन सायुधम आरुह्य चक्षुः गोचरताम् अतीत्य युद्धेन खण्डशः छिन्नं पतितं पुनरुत्थितं च पश्यताम् तत्कृतं मायादि सतत्वचिन्तायाम् आदरः भवति.
No is there in the beginning. Adaraha. See, this is the pictorial bhashya. You say, you proceeded with the bhashya and adara bhavati, and you know little Sanskrit also. So they have got eagerness to know. Nahi adaraha bhavati. In the beginning it is there. They don't have adara for that. Before going there, let us see what exactly this magic. This is like this. They say, it is when Bhashyakara is given, obviously it was prevalent at that time. But afterwards, it is not seen. One Westerner, Ouspensky or someone, he has compiled all these magics, in which this is also one of them. What is this? This is what is called as Indian rope trick. What is that? The magician comes and he's got to look. It is there in the heaven, there is a battle between Devas and Danavas. Devas have called me for helping them. So I am going now there. And what he does? He throws the rope, and that rope is what? Standing erect. He climbs. He climbs, and after he becomes invisible. After he becomes invisible, dhanadan clattering of the weapons. So means fight is going on, battle is going on. And within no time, this magician falls on the ground, cut into pieces. Then, okay, whatever. Again, at the one whole piece, he stands. You'll enjoy it, But you are not much bothered about this. So it is all a trick of who? Magician. So what is reality is what? Magician and not the trick. They may be doing by some, what is that? Casting the spell, etc. Hand trick is that. Hand trick is one. Other thing is casting the spell. No, I think even with that. Sarkar also does, I think. The girl is good, and then what? The stomach is cut, blood, etc. And afterwards, not a scratch. All this pigeons, etc. There's a trick there. But there was this also a magical spell, casting a spell. Within that area only you can see, not outside. Not outside you can see them. So that is how. So in fact, one of our Guru Bandhus told me, he was from Kerala. When he told, he was a 40 age. Now he is 85. Okay. So he said when he was a boy, one magician came. Somewhere Kerala. What he did? So he had brought mango seed, gota, stone, mango stone. And one basket was there. So he said, now I am going to plant this, sow the seed and mango tree will come with the mangoes. And he puts in the ground and does his jugglery, chanting and all that, etc. And puts the basket on that and goes on his doing the jugglery, etc. After some time, he opened, you know what? A small mango tree with small mangoes. He has seen it. He has seen it. If such a thing was there. So there is, now let us see. This is the actual magic. Let us see now. Take the Anvaya. Sutram Akashe. Sutram Akashe Nikshipya Tena Sayudham Aruhya Chakshur Gocharatam Atitya Yuddhena Khandashaha Chinnam Patitam Mayavinam. Take Mayavinam Patitam, then take Mayavinam, then continue Punaruthitam cha pasyatam Tatkrita Mayadi Satatva Chintayam Adaraha, beginning, Nahi, end, Bhavati. So, those who see such magic, they are least bothered about the actual, that is what magic is said. They know it's a trick of who? This magician. Sutram Akashe Nikshipya. Sutra is rope. Having thrown the rope in the Akasha, and it stands erect. Tena Sayudham Aruhya. With that help of the rope, with the weapons, what is that? He climbs up. Further, Chakshur Gocharatam Atitya. Having gone beyond the sight of the people means having become invisible. Become invisible. Atitya. Yuddhena, because of somebody there, fight is going on, battle is going on. Yuddhena means something is doing there. Khandasha Chinnam Patitam. Part by part, bit by bit, he is what? Torn into pieces. He is cut into pieces. The body is cut into pieces. Patitam, where on the ground he is fallen. Punaha Uthitam cha pasyatam. And again, what is that? He gets up and stands erect as a one whole magician. Pasyatam. Tatkrita Mayadi. Tatkrita Mayadi. So that is, that by that magician, whatever Maya, magic done, Adi for effect, rope, fighting, peace, being pieces, etc., in such thing, satatva chintayam, it is not really so. It is not, it doesn't have the reality. It has no paramarthika swarupa. It is just an appearance and not in reality. Chintayam adaraha na bhavati. They are not eager about it at all. They know it is only an appearance, nothing to do with the reality. Similarly,
तथा एव अयम् मायाविनः सूत्र प्रसारण समः सुषुप्त स्वप्नादि विकासः तत् आरूढं मायाविसमश्च तत्स्थः प्राज्ञ तैजसादिः सूत्र तद आरूढ़
तदारूढ़ाभ्याम,
सूत्र तद आरूढ़ाभ्याम अन्यः परमार्थ मायावी.
So now parallels are drawn. So who is Mayavi? Who is that one who was cut into pieces, etc., and all that is the parallel are drawn. Tatha eva, as in the case of this magic, Mayavinaha sutra prasarana samaha, like the magician who throws up the rope, etc., and does many things afterwards. Prasarana samaha, sushupta swapnadi vikasa. Like Mayavi throwing the rope up, he says, sleep, dream, and waking state are prasaraha, is just like throwing the rope up. So the expanse of this. Then that Mayavi magician climbed the rope and he became invisible. So who is that? They are in the place of woe. Tatstha Tadarudha Mayavi Samascha, equal to, similar to the Mayavi magician who climbed the rope that was cast up. See, who are they? Tatstha. So the one who is abiding in waking, dream, and deep sleep state, who is he? Pradnya Taijasa Adihi. Pradnya, sleeper consciousness. Taijasa, dreamer consciousness. Adi for who? Vishwa, waker consciousness. Adi. Sutra tadarudhabhyam anya. He is distinct from sutra. Here, sutra, what is that? Like Sushupta, Swapna, and Jagata, sutra. Tadarudhabhyam, the magician who climbed up in the place of who? Pradnyata, etc. Anya, Paramartha Mayavi. Who is Paramartha Mayavi? Actual magician. The actual magician. Not the magician who climbed up. You are different from the actual magician. He given the appearance that he is climbing. See, you tell me, where was this actual magician all along this feet? He was just on the ground only. But you could not see him. You could not see him. You saw him climbing, etc., and cut into pieces, etc. All along he was there, where? On the ground. So now, like that Mayavi magician, without undergoing anything, gave the appearance of this magic. Like that, here we see Paramartha Mayavi. With Paramartha Mayavi, Parabrahma. Why is Mayavi? He is building what? Maya Shakti. For creation. Maya Shakti. Paramartha Mayavi. He is like the one who was all along standing on the ground in spite of this magic show.
स एव भूमिष्ठः मायाच्छन्नः अदृश्यमान एव स्थितः यथा तथा तुरीयाख्यम परमार्थतत्त्वम्।
Sahayeva. With that Sahayeva, the one who is on the ground, not actually appearing in terms of the magic. Yatha, just as Bhumishtaha, standing on the ground. Maya Channaha Adrishyamana. Adrishyamana. Not seen, not available. Why? Maya Channa is the cause. Covered by Maya. Do you know Paramatma? Why? Maya Channa. Maya Channa. So that was like that. This magician was all along standing where on the ground, but because of his magical spell, you could not see. Adrishyamana evasita tatha. Similarly, who is the Paramartha Mayavi among Pradnya, Taijasa, Vishwa, etc. I am putting the word etc. deliberately. You tell me what is that etc. Huh? Turiya. See, fourth. Atma Chatushpa. Vishwa, Taijasa, Pradnya. Now, this Turiya is in the place of the actual magician who is standing where? On the ground and yet not seen. What are seen? Pradnya, Taijasa and Vishwa. That Pradnya, Taijasa, Vishwa are in the place of the magician who was climbing the rope, who was fighting the battle, who was cut into pieces and fallen on the ground. So, but in reality, who is there? Only actual magician, Turiya, is there. Paramartha, yes. Yosita yatha tatha Turiyakhya. So that is Turiyakhya. With the Turiyakhya, distinct from Jagrat, Swapna, Sushupti, distinct from Vishwa, Taijasa and Pradnya. So that is what Turiyakhya. So he is that, the Turiyakhya, Turiyakhyam, and that is actually what Paramartha Tattvam. It is the ultimate reality. Now come on. Waker consciousness, dreamer consciousness, sleeper consciousness, come and go, come and go, come and go. Reality is what? Turiya. Turiya. We are preoccupied where? These three. Vishwa, Taijasa, Pradnya. And what this three undergo is what? Samsara. What you call as samsara? What do you mean by samsara? Having wife, children, husband and all that. You know, one word for samsara, do you know what is that? Can you give? Huh? Ajnana. Ignorance. Ignorance is the samsari. If a jnana has got, he is a samsari. He may be a grahastha like who? Janaka. But he should have jnana. So that is it. And he may be a sannyasi. No jnana. Samsari or a samsari? Samsari. Only different. Outward appearance will differ. What is the outward appearance? Other one is grahastha with the wife, husband. This person is the big ashrams and samsara. You know, Shankaracharya, in one prayer, he says, Paurohityam Mathapatyam me Janmani Janmani na bhavatu. Oh Bhagavan, of course, not that he was a, he is giving a guidance to others. Don't aspire for this. Paurohityam. You know his Purohit? Family priest. Then Mathapatyam, Mathadipati. Let me not have this in any life. Of all the people, do you know? Vashishta lamented for having accepted the post of Paurohitya in Ikshvaku clan. You know, he deliberately had taken that because information has leaked to him. Vishnu is taking the avatar as what? Rama. So he wanted to enjoy the avatar from the childhood. And he knew when avatara takes place, where it is a royal family, strict what? Security will be there. Strict security will be there. You know, in Tulsi Ramayana there is one case. Shiva wanted to see who? Bala Rama. So, but no access. Then he posed as a what? Soothsayer. He posed as a soothsayer. Along with that, other fellow was there. Who? Kaka Bhushunda. Like assistant. So no, he could not. So then one Dasi came. And went and told Kausalya, see, this soothsayer is a pakka one. He tells all this, etc. So she agreed, he was alone. But only one person, not the other, manager. And he started telling all these things, etc. He took the child on his lap and telling. So he was about to tell that he is going to go to Vanavasa. You know, the child pulled the beard off. Shut up. Then he said, no, he is going to get married. He is going to get married, etc. Afterward, you know what happened? Parvati asked, did you have darshan? How could you have that? One Dasi, no Dasi, it was me. It was me only because I knew you will not have access there. So I posed as that because that Dasi didn't come that day for work. So Parvati posed as a Dasi and gave the entry there. So that is how it is. Now, Vashishta, he knew that when Rama takes the birth, it is not possible to have an access. Much earlier, quite a few generations earlier, he became the Purohit. You know, then he cursed himself, having become the Purohit. You know, when Rama has gone to Vanavasa, Dasharatha is dead, Bharata at Mama's maternal uncle's place, etc. He had to handle all this. Not only that, it was something which was unbearable for him, that separation from who? Rama. Though such a great sage, he could not believe that. So that is it. At that time, he curses himself for having become who? Purohit. So like that, Mathapatya also. So Mathapatya. ठीक है. So therefore, Tatha Turiyatvam, that is Turiya. In Turiya, that Prajna is not there, Taijasa is not there, Vishwa is not there. That's what. So that he concludes that people who are interested in Paramartha Tattva, They are not bothered about the Srishti, how it's done. We'll see that. स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं मनीषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं शोभरहितः ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ अहं ब्रह्मास्मि
ओम शांति